Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
Merits of statutory organizations. 1. These organizations enjoy complete freedom of administrative and financial autonomy. 2. They are formed to provide some special or important public utility services. 3. They provide services at lower cost. 4. Due to administrative and financial autonomy, it has fast and flexible decision-making process in these departmental undertakings. 5. The employees are properly trained, developed, and motivated in these organizations. 6. They are financially independent. 7. They work on a very large scale, and hence it is possible for them to enjoy economy of scale operations. 8. Professionally qualified managers and competent staff are employed by these organizations, which helps in improving efficiency. 9. Most of the statutory corporations are monopolistic and semi-monopolies in their respective area. 10. The accounts of statutory corporations are audited by Comptroller and Auditor General of India, and final accounts are placed in Parliament or Legislature, which shows public accountability.